Hello friends. Welcome to Defense Matrix. On this channel you will get fully information about defense and technology. Let's view the video. Why B-2 Spirit is being replaced by the B-21 Raider. 1. Advanced stealth capabilities. The B-21 Raider is built with next-generation stealth features that surpass the B-2 Spirit. While the B-2 is highly stealthy, radar systems have evolved since its introduction in the 1990s. The B-21 uses improved radar-absorbing materials, edge alignment, and an even lower radar cross-section. Its stealth remains effective even in contested environments saturated with advanced radar. Additionally, the B-21 stealth is designed to remain cost-efficient to maintain, something the B-2 struggles with due to its expensive coating. 2. Lower operational cost. Operating the B-2 Spirit costs around $130,000 per flight hour, making it one of the most expensive aircraft in history. The B-21 Raider has been designed with cost efficiency in mind. With modular components, easier maintenance, and fewer specialized tools needed for upkeep, the B-21 significantly reduces lifecycle costs. It's a strategic move to ensure more bombers are available for combat readiness without draining the defense budget. 3. Easier and faster maintenance. The B-2 Spirit's skin is notoriously sensitive, requiring specialized climate-controlled hangars and extensive downtime for repairs. In contrast, the B-21 Raider is constructed using new materials and design methods that make maintenance faster and more routine. This allows more aircraft to stay mission-ready. The U.S. Air Force emphasized ease of repair to reduce downtime and increase sortie rates, ensuring the Raider is combat effective at all times. 4. Improved cybersecurity avionics. The B-21 Raider is built with modern digital infrastructure from the ground up. Unlike the B-2, which was made before the cyber warfare era, the B-21 integrates hardened software and secure systems resistant to hacking. It includes advanced avionics that enable real-time battlefield communication, AI-assisted targeting, and improved electronic warfare. Warfare capabilities. This tech edge allows the B-21 to thrive in modern digital combat environments. 5. Longer-range mission flexibility. The B-21 Raider is designed for deep strike capabilities with greater range than the B-2, thanks to lighter materials, improved engines, and more fuel efficiency. It can launch long-range precision strikes from farther distances without needing mid-air refueling. Plus, it's capable of both manned and unmanned missions, giving commanders more tactical flexibility. The B-21 is a true 21st-century strategic bomber designed for multiple mission profiles. 6. Nuclear and conventional strike capability. While the B-2 can carry both nuclear and conventional weapons, the B-21 Raider is built with a flexible weapons bay that supports more advanced payloads. It is equipped to deliver newer-generation nuclear warheads and precision-guided conventional munitions. The B-21 also integrates better with modern delivery platforms, like hypersonic missiles. This dual-strike capability ensures the U.S. can deter nuclear threats and respond to conventional conflicts with overwhelming force, all from one platform. 7. Designed for China-Russia threat era, the B-2 was built during the Cold War but tailored more towards Soviet-era threats. The B-21, however, is specifically designed to penetrate the modern anti-access/area denial (A2/AD) bubbles deployed by nations like China and Russia. With long-range stealth, electronic warfare capability, and adaptability, the B-21 can bypass S-400 defense systems and future radar networks, giving the U.S. strategic reach in contested Indo-Pacific and Eastern European regions. 8. Next-gen communication and AI integration. The B-21 Raider supports real-time battlefield communication using satellite links, mesh networks, and next-generation AI systems. Pilots can collaborate with drones, receive updates from satellites, and engage dynamic targets all autonomously. The aircraft can also fly in coordinated missions with other B-21s or fighter escorts using secure AI protocols. The B-2 lacks this level of integrated communication, limiting its battlefield awareness in fast-changing situations. 9. Scalable production and fleet expansion. The U.S. only built 21 B-2 Spirits due to skyrocketing costs and political constraints. In contrast, the B-21 is designed with scalable production in mind. Northrop Grumman and the U.S. Air Force plan to produce over 100 B-21s using cost-efficient assembly lines, advanced robotics, and modular manufacturing. This ensures rapid deployment, fleet standardization, and quicker upgrades, unlike the limited and aging B-2 fleet. 10. Future-proofed for decades, the B-21 Raider is designed to operate into the 2050s and beyond. Its open architecture allows for easy software upgrades, AI enhancements, and weapons integration without redesigning the entire airframe. The B-2, while advanced for its time, lacks this flexibility. The Raider is built to evolve with threats and technology, making it the centerpiece of U.S. air dominance in the future battlespace. It's more than just a replacement, it's a leap ahead. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel Defense Matrix for more interesting and knowledgeful videos.